There's everybody. There's Penny. Hello, Julius. Hunter. Harley and Roxy. Almost 8 weeks old. Look at Hunter. Hello, baby. I'm being attacked. There's Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Hi, Roxy. There's Harley. Harley's over there in the bed. Hi, Harley. Hi, Roxy. Harley wants to play. Harley's got his toys. Hi, Harley. Hi, pretty boy. Say hi, Mom. Yes, Roxy, I see you. And I see Penny. Hi, Penny girl. Hi, Roxy. What are you doing over there, Harley? What are you doing? What are you doing over there, Harley? Pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Playing with Penny. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, guys. Hi, Julius. Hi, Hunter. What are you doing, pretty girl? Roxy. Hi, Roxy. Roxy. Hi, Penny. What are you doing, Harley? What are you doing, Harley? Hi, Harley. Hi, Penny. Silly girl. Hi, silly girl. Hi, silly girl. Roxy. Where are you going, Roxy? Hi, Harley. Oh, oops. Get him, Penny. Hi, Harley. Get him. Hi, Harley. What are you guys doing? Okay, see you later. See you later. Playing with the paper. See you later. Bye, guys.